Welcome to Skjolden, Norway. We're going to take a walk around this place, see what's what. If you're coming here, you're probably coming off a cruise ship, like I did. But this is the Fjords. Population here is only 238 people. That could all fit on one airplane. Got the rest of the cruise passengers coming off here. Take a look around. We're going to go see some pretty water. So got this glacial water. There's a cruise ship in the background, if you can see that. This town is on the Sognefjord, the longest and deepest fjord in Norway. And here we go. Got some views coming across this bridge, that's for sure. Check out that glacial water. Water temperature sits around 53 to 58 degrees and is glacial runoff water, which also gives it this awesome color. Hopefully the video does it justice, but may not. There's a look out into the fjord. Everyone's on this bridge taking pictures, hanging out. Can't blame them. This is a pathway all the cruise ship people, passengers, have to come into town. And although it's a nice day with a high of about 77 degrees, I would hate to be here in the winter. Let's go out here and take a look at the fjord. Amazing views, guys. If you dropped me off here and asked me where I was at, I would just say Montana. I wouldn't know. That's what I believe it looks like. You got boating, kayaking, paddleboarding going on here. It is expensive to live here, but with these views, might be worth it.
Oh, wished it was come true.
Yo tengo 3 empresas y soy contador también.
Contador.
Contador.
Contador. Contable.
Sí, con contabilidad, sí.
All right, guys, didn't give you many demographics on this video. There are only 238 people in the town. Hit that subscribe button, like button. Got some paddle boarders over here. And see you in the next one. Appreciate you watching.